In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the invisible filter on Snapchat. So open up Snapchat on your phone, then tap on the smiley face just to the right of the circle button. This will bring up your filters. Scroll across right to the end and tap on the explore button. In the search bar, type in invisible filter. Tap on the filter which is at the very top to the left. This is the invisible filter. You will then get a demonstration on how to activate the invisibility filter. So you just have to swipe your hand in front of the camera in a circular motion. And to remove the invisibility filter, just do the same motion. That will remove the invisibility filter. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.